Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to password protect your folder on Mac. Let's start the video. First, what you have to do, just open your Finder. Now just select the applications here. Select the utilities folder here. Now, after clicking on utilities, under utilities, select disk utility here. As you can see, I opened my disk utility. On top side, you can see here file. Just click on file. Just keep your cursor on new image. Now select image from folder here. Now here, just select the folder you want to add password on it. Let's suppose I want to add password on this folder. Select this folder and click on choose here. Now what I have to do, just you can see here encryption. It is none here. Just click on this. Now select the type of encryption, 128-bit AES encryption or 256-bit AES encryption. It is more strong, 256. Let's suppose I will take 256. Click on. Now what I have to do, I have to just create a new password here for my folder. Make sure to use a strong password which is case sensitive also, so that it can not be easily accessible to anyone. Now after creating password, click on choose. Now click on save. As you can see, operation successful. Click on done. As you can see here that .dmg file is here. If I want to open this folder, what I have to do, just double click on this dmg file. Now here enter the password, click on OK. As you can see, I have entered my folder. So this is a pretty simple step to password protect your folder on Mac. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.